Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to blur sensitive information in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat? It's important to know that Adobe Acrobat doesn't include a true blur tool for PDF content. Instead, Acrobat provides reduction tools that permanently remove sensitive information, which is generally more secure than blurring. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to blur content in PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026 and the safest alternative to using blur. Okay, so first thing, decide whether you need blur or reduction. Like, first determine your goal. Use blur when creating demonstrations, hiding sample data visually, or preparing screenshots for presentation. Use reduction when removing personal information, hiding account numbers, protecting confidential data, sharing sensitive documents. So reduction is the safer option for security purposes. So open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, like any PDF. So let's take this example. Okay, it can be even an image. So open the PDF containing the content you want to hide. Let's say we want to hide his eyes or something. Like, review the documents and identify the information that needs protection, or the picture or anything. Verify all areas before making changes. Use reduction for sensitive information. So select all tools. Like you can see here, we have many options. We have here tools. Okay, so tap tools, then mark for reduction. You have to find it here. Okay, so then highlight the content you want to remove. Like, reduction permanently removes information rather than simply hiding it. Okay, so apply the reduction, click apply, confirm the action when prompted. Acrobat will permanently remove the selected information. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.